Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today we are going to model quadratic functions. Let's go straight to the intro activity. It says, what is the area of a rectangle with dimensions 32 centimeters and 25 centimeters? So how do we find the area of a rectangle? From your elementary math, area is equal to length times width, right? So in this case, we're given two dimensions. One is 32 centimeters and 25. So typically, whichever the bigger number is the length, and the shorter is the width. But theoretically, it doesn't matter. Why? Because if you multiply these two numbers, in multiplication, numbers are commutative, meaning, like for example, 2 times 3 is 6, is the same as 3 times 2. It's also 6, right? So it doesn't matter where you place the dimension. However, since obviously here, our rectangle, this one is longer, I'm going to put the 32 there. 25 on the side. Alright, so let's find the area of this rectangle. The length is 32 and the width is 25, which is 800 centimeters squared. And that is the area of this rectangle. What if I multiply it differently? So now take a look here. I'm going to break down 32. What? 30 plus 2, isn't it? Yeah? And 25 is 20 plus 5. Since I broke down 32 into 30 plus 2, I'm going to write 30 here plus 2. Now on the width, 20 plus 5. So the total dimension of this side is 32 and this is 25. Now, how do I get the area? I'll just simply multiply 20 and 30, which is 600, right? 3 times 2 is 6, and then we include the 2 zeros. Now, 2 times 2 is 4, but there's a 0 there, right? How about this? 5 times 3, that's 15. Then again, there's a 0. I'll just put a 0 there, and then 5 times 2, that's 10. So what do I do with these partial products? I'll just add them up. 600 plus 40 is 640 plus 10, that's 650 plus 150, so the area is 800 centimeters squared. Now, what do we call this method? This is called the area model. How do we apply area model in algebra? So the length of a rectangle is the quantity x plus 6 centimeter, and its width is the quantity x plus 4 centimeters. Represent the area of the rectangle using a quadratic function. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to put this as x. The first part is x plus 6 right here. And that one is x also, then plus 4. Do not forget to include the sign, because later on it could be a different one. It could be negative. So let's apply the area model. So if you notice, I have 4 different rectangles inside that we need to fill in. How? First rectangle, this big one, I'll multiply x times x, which is x squared. Right? Now how do I fill this in? I multiply x, the blue x, and positive 6 right here. So it's positive 6x. How about this rectangle? Fill that in by multiplying positive 4 and the green x. They intersect here, that's positive 4x, and then positive 4 times positive 6, you multiply them, I get positive 24. Right? What I really like about this area model, it gives you a hint. What do you need to do next? You need to add what? This diagonal, because they are like terms. So what do you do with this? It's the only x squared inside, so it doesn't have like terms. So you just bring it down. And then combine this to positive 4x plus positive 6x. That's positive 10x. And how about this positive 24? It's the only constant, so we just simply bring it down, copy it down. Now, the area is should be represented by a quadratic function, so we just simply put y equals this centimeter squared, or what you could do is, instead of y, you can write down f of x. There you have it. So f of x is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 24, this entire trinomial centimeter squared. Now it's your turn. Make sure you pause your video while you're doing it. Once you're done, come back so that you can check your answer. Alright, welcome back. I hope you got this answer correct. Let's go to the next one. So, same process, pause your video, come back once you're done. If you got that right, you're good to go. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below inside the description box for additional resources, and do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and each other.